Ava. Hey. Do you want him to come get you? Stick your thumb out like this. Go get it. What are you... What are you doing? Alright, come on. Give.
Is that Ava mode?
That's enough.
Is that Ava mode?
What is Ava mode? Oh, she wants to get back in.
That?
We're dead, no. Come on, let's take a break. I think she needs another nap.
Ava broke his gun.
Come on, Ava.